If Wave accounting is not saving your changes, yeah, that means your edits to invoices, settings, or transactions are not being stored properly. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, if your network is weak, changes may fail to save to the server. Next, refresh the page and check again. Sometimes changes are saved but not displayed due to a loading glitch. Now, log out of your account and log back in. Yeah, this forces the system to resync your data properly. Next, make sure all required fields are filled correctly. I mean, missing or invalid data can prevent saving changes. Now, disable all browser extensions temporarily. Yeah, ad blockers or script blockers can interfere with saving requests. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted session data can stop updates from being saved. Now, open Wave accounting in incognito mode. I mean, this helps rule out extension and cached data issues. Next, check if your browser is blocking site data or permissions. Yeah, restricted permissions can prevent saving changes. Now, try another browser or device. This helps confirm if the issue is device specific or account related. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Yeah, these can interrupt secure data syncing with Wave servers. Now check if Wave accounting servers are working properly. I mean, sometimes the issue is on their side, not yours. Next, make sure your browser is updated. Yeah, outdated browsers can break saving functionality in web apps. If nothing works, contact support. I mean, there may be a backend or account level issue preventing changes from being saved. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve the issue of not saving changes in Wave accounting and restore proper syncing.